our internet won't reach back here, so I wanted the video show you on our 15th day with no water. Let's see, I'm just going to come around because that way I can't even see what they're doing. Let's see. Let me come to the back. This is our clothes dryer. Good morning, Glenroy.
Good morning.
You doing all right?
Okay.
Okay. Good morning, Wata. So there's our tank. Let me see if I can see how far down. We tried to, the rain just isn't, I mean it's sprinkled, but no rain. We was trying to catch it. Oh no, it's way down. I can't even see. Oh, it's way, yeah, no, I can't even see it. And this is our pipe where the pipe water should be coming. But this is the 15th day. Nothing. Okay, I hear the truck. He started it, so maybe the water will come. Look like if the water, yeah, it's filling up the hose. Here it comes. Oh, Jesus. I thought it was about to come out. Can't believe the pump is still broken. Can't believe the pump is still broken.
No water not coming in then?
No. 15 days. I emailed them and them say some kind of mechanical problem.
Okay.
How long it take to fix though? Ooh. No one here have water. Yeah. Where you fill your truck from?
For us.
Okay.
That are down by them same way.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, you have to buy it down there.
Okay.
You have the water come out of the well.
Okay.
Yeah. You have to buy it from them same way.
Okay. Of course, have pop water?
You of course have a pump down there. You know?
Okay, but it's broken or something?
No. This water gonna come from pepper. Down Senti.
Okay.
Mandlo water come from Senti.
Wow.
And some part of down here so come from Porous.
Okay.
This thing have a no return valve on it though.
It has a pump, a float pump.
No, you want a non-return valve funny. That's if no water on the road. That is no water that come on the road. The water in the tank, no go back on the road.
My husband's coming. I'm not. There's something, but I don't know where it's at.
Okay.
There is something.
Well, one non-return valve funny.
I think it's around. I think, but I'm not sure.
Oh, you can come so but you can't go so.
Uh-huh. He's coming though. He went to town. I'll go show you the truck. So many people are having to buy, and it's expensive. We because our tank is large, we had to buy this whole truck. Well, not the truck, but the water, and it's 14,000 Jamaican, which is about 140 US, a little less. Terrible. So I'm gonna
Hey,
show.
you see the ants there, sir?
Yeah.
Try to see if you can price it there.
Okay.
This is not going to have no host up here, you know.
Yeah.
Try to see if you can price it and make it, you know.
Okay.
Dangerous pestilence, man.
Yeah.
The whole of the roof.
Okay.
Try to see if you can price it. Look if nothing night. And try to see if you can price it.
Okay.
You go over the ceiling and make somebody go over the ceiling and look which part over there.
Okay.
Price it. If not price it, you're not going on the roof.
Okay. Is that the ones that build the big?
Yes.
Okay.
That same one.
Oh, okay.
Keep down the whole of the board there.
Okay. He's saying that trail right there is ants, but when we see them, it looks like really more like termites. But that's what he's saying.